Morning check. What time is it?
About 12 p.m.
12 p.m. Ready to get this day started. We got
oh my God, on the dot. On the dot. Tell me something. Talk to me, Sway.
You ain't got the answers. Yeah, I just wanted to say what's up. Top of the morning, top of the afternoon, whatever. Just trying to get this vlogging thing on a roll. We got the camera out. He brought the tripod. He's about to be shooting as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna link his channel right here. It's gonna be like a little cool little pop up, like
yes, sir.
Bing, right now, boom, and we're out. Don't text and drive, kids. Use a laptop and drive. That's a real challenge.
Real officer shit.
Yeah. they got one up on us.
Niggas be having all the technology in their cars, bro. Talking about don't use your phone. You can't even fucking whip out your phone, bro.
Right. Niggas on Facebook over there.
Yeah. Hey.
To rob the bank but leave the cash. Harm the public.
There you go.
People nowadays, they don't want to see you express yourself. People don't want to see you doing whatever you want to do, just minding your own business nowadays.
Right.
The state of people being sensitive, people being like throwing their low-ass vibrational state onto yours, and now you got to live at their importance. No, I'm gonna do whatever the fuck I want to do. Be me, enjoy myself, live my life.
Look at life. It's a beautiful life too.
Yeah. Look, we got sun today. It ain't even Sunday. It ain't even Monday.
It's Saturday, and we ain't even sat today.
Yeah. Back from shopping around, back home, ready to just get some work done, honestly, and kind of just tap back in. But cop some new shoes, part of the hookah fam now. Let's go. Crazy colorway, like that looks wild. All right, it feels like I'm walking on a cloud. Like compared to my old running shoes, oh my goodness, I'm about to be running mile after mile after mile. Like blessing, like these are gonna be some. So I'm gonna probably test them out tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably just go for like, I want to see, probably like a 5-mile run, see how they are, like longevity wise. But yeah, cop these, just ready to work on some video stuff, work on organization. Yeah, I got a little bit of errands later on around like 5 or 6. What time is it? It just hit 2 o'clock. And then we got gym later, about to hit arms, and I'm not sure what else, but we'll see. I'll see y'all then. Honestly, right now I'm trying to make that like the true commitment of what I'm trying to do, like in a macro sense. Make that a commitment to where I respond to everybody. I try to build up a strong community, not only for the people inside, but like the people in their lives as well, like in a real life sense, you know, because they have families, they have friends, they have lovers and partners. So like we better ourselves in this angle, and then we bring it out into the world for a greater cause. But yeah, I think that's just the main mission of everything, you know, just build up a community to where we can better society all in all. So, yeah. Wagwan, I'm out right now. Did some cardio. On a light walk. I'm not trying to do too much, not too crazy. Just trying to get some sun, honestly. Clear my head, get some thoughts generated, enjoy some good views. Like, look at this. Straight beautiful. I parked like a little ways back there. But honestly, just enjoying some good sun, some good sights. Got my camera with me. About to be taking some shots, getting some good footage. I'll probably just find like a nice little spot to sit down in between my walk, kind of chop it up with you guys. So I had this talk with Wyatt yesterday, and the subject was about consistency and seeing the reward, seeing the outcome. And I brought up to how I have this quote in mind that I wrote on my daily planner. It's consistency will bring the results. And I was telling him that all I'm trying to do right now is just focus on the consistency. Just focus on the action, just doing it consistently, just going after it without thinking of the result. Because I've fallen accustomed to always focusing on the result and not even paying attention to the energy or the effort put into it. So that's what I'm trying to do, just focus on the consistency. How's it going? Just focus on the consistency. And the consistency will bring the results, like no matter what. Even if it's a bad result, who cares? You already put the consistency in. You know, you're getting the answer, you know? It'll get you a lot farther than just focusing on whatever you're trying to do, you know? It'll get you a lot further than what you're trying to get out of it. So just put in the action, just do the action. And right now I'm honestly just like putting in as much effort as I can, putting in the energy, the time, utilizing my resources as much as possible, and not really focusing on a reward, not even focusing on the outcome. I'm just doing because I know for the sake of me living a fruitful, productive life, it's gonna benefit that regardless. Like me staying on top of a purpose is gonna allow me to push myself even further, you know, from me in the gym to me allow myself to open up in this world, you know, socialize more, allow me to better myself as a human being, you know, when working with a team or leading a team, leading a family, you know, better myself in relationships, better myself in all relationships, you know, with a partner, friendships, you know, whatever it may be. It's just me allowing myself to open up a lot more and stay consistent with it, you know. And from that end, it's also with the consistency of, you know, staying faithful, staying loyal, you know, to God, and just allowing yourself to commit fully and not, you know, like whenever we try to build a relationship with God, we always focus about the reward. We always focus around the result. Like, I want to be saved. I want to live a fruitful life. I want to live a holy life. I want to live a faithful life, you know, filled with blessings. Like everybody does. Yes, like that's a good thing that we should be paying attention to, but it's the energy that you put into it, you know, when it seems like God isn't there, but he is, and he's testing you. That's what really counts. That's when the consistency has to kick in. that's when you have to really put your big boy pants on and say, like, God, I know that this is a test that you want me to really put myself in, show my commitment in, and I'm here for it. I will serve you, and I will stay genuine. I will continue being a warrior, on this path, and I will come out stronger, battles with demons, battle with temptation, and continue to live a fruitful life in that manner of staying consistent with your holiness, staying consistent with your faith. It's not just a result-based lifestyle. Like, no, it's a consistent matter of are you about it or not. So you have to stay consistent on that end as well. All relationships need consistency. All purposes need consistency. Anything that you're trying to do. So right now I'm just finishing up my walk. I wasn't trying to take it too serious today. I got a nice sweat busted out. Got my mind cleared up a little bit. I still have gym later. Got some errands beforehand that I need to take care of. So I'll probably head back home, work on some things, and then run in, finish up those errands. After that, we got gym, and then I'll finish up with dinner. And yeah, blessed day, productive day, staying on top of it. I actually had a dream. About how I was flooded with temptation. I was flooded with going back to my old lifestyle, going back to just living at a low vibration and always giving in. And it's wild because at the end of the dream was like a question to myself. I don't know if it was like God questioning me and asking me, like, do you want to go back? Do you want to, live that life? And the dream ended at the point of me answering, which is wild. Which is insane. I woke up and I was sitting at the edge of my bed just thinking about it. And yeah, it's like, that's a perfect representation of how I am now, of just trying to live a purpose-driven life, trying to stay faithful, trying to do better for the sake of the world, for society, for my family, for my friends, for my loved ones, everyone around me, for my community. Man, yeah, just blessed we out here. Yeah, beautiful sights. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, finishing up my walk right now. About to cool down for a good couple of minutes. Stretch out, do my ting. And yeah, I'll chop it up with y'all later. Probably at the gym. Who knows? And yeah, let me know if you guys like these vlog lifestyle type of things, because I'm trying to get in the habit of giving you guys messages while also still adapting and with the flow of life. So yeah, just let me know if you guys like these. Let me know what I should be doing. I'm open-minded. I like to continue to advance and develop my style, develop my steez. Yeah. But peace and love. I'll see y'all later.